In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see page breaks in Apple Notes. First, open the Notes app on your device. You may see a variety of notes laid out in a list. This can include anything from checklists to longer text documents. The Notes app is designed for ease of use and quick access. You might feel a sense of familiarity as you navigate through your notes. The app operates on a continuous scrolling canvas, which means it doesn't show page breaks during editing. This can be a little confusing if you're trying to prepare a document for printing, so opening the app is your first step to understanding how to see where those breaks will actually happen. Once you have the Notes app open, locate the note you want to preview. You might scroll through a list of your notes until you find the specific one you're interested in. This step is crucial because it allows you to focus on the content you wish to check for page breaks. Whether it's a lengthy essay or a simple list, selecting the correct note ensures that you view the right information. Take a moment to confirm that you have the correct note, as this will save you time later. Next up, tap the Share button, which is usually represented by a square with an upward arrow. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping this button opens up a menu with various options for sharing your note. This step is important because it gives you access to the printing options. Sharing may seem like a simple action, but it opens the door to the next crucial steps in previewing your note for printing. After you tap the Share button, look for and tap the Print option in the menu that appears. You may need to scroll down a bit to find it. Selecting Print is a key action in this process. It transitions you from editing mode to a preview mode, where you can see how your note will look when printed. This preview is vital because it helps you identify where the page breaks will occur. It also provides an opportunity to review your note layout before finalizing it. Now, in the print preview, you will see page thumbnails. These thumbnails represent each page that will be printed. Take a close look at these thumbnails to see exactly where the page breaks are. This is a crucial step because it gives you visual confirmation of how your content will be divided across multiple pages. Understanding this layout is important for ensuring that your document appears professional and well organized when printed or saved as a PDF. Once you have viewed the page thumbnails, you can make necessary adjustments if you see any issues. If you notice that a page break disrupts the flow of your content, you may want to return to the note and modify it accordingly. This ensures that your printed document looks polished and meets your expectations. Knowing how to manipulate the content before printing can save you from frustration later. Finally, you can choose to print your note or save it as a PDF from this screen. If you decide to print, simply tap the Print button. If you'd rather save it, select the appropriate option to save it as a PDF. This final step is rewarding as it confirms that you have successfully previewed and prepared your note for printing. You can now be confident that your document looks just the way you want it to, ready to be shared or presented. Following these steps will help ensure clarity in your printed notes and provide a smooth experience when preparing your documents.